I don't believe we were put together. Cause this looks good, babes. UNice, I love the wig already. We're gonna do one thick layer. Deontay is just plucking off any little excess hairs that are in the area. I love this hair. This is sexy. UNice did their big one. UNice, a texture shot. We love this hair. Round of a fucking applause for you. I don't believe we were put together. Cause this looks good, babes. Hey, this is good. We ready to go. UNice, this is giving put on and go, honey. Cause she could give. Let me run to the store real quick. Throw this on. Yep.
I laid this on my lines on Arnold. He said, do not put the makeup on up under there if you're very light skinned. Put it on after you put the cream on.
Okay. Oh, wow. We love that.
You get rid of the cast.
Deontay, tip of the day. If you are working with light skin, put on the makeup after the application, not before.
See, it makes a difference.
Okay, so Deontay's about to do the bang. We're gonna flatten this out, and then we're gonna cut into this hair to give us some layers, baby. It's gonna look good. This is giving Dasher Hound. Kind of loving it though. We are cut up. We're about to go ahead and curl this. Deontay did that. We're about to curl this on up. Really good. Okay, first look, delicious. UNice, y'all cut up with this wig, babe. UNice, you definitely was being nice. This looks good.